Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic compounds. And I will also discuss about the reason behind it, why people saying this is aromatic compound, anti-aromatic compound, non-aromatic compound. So let us start learning of aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic compound. So first, aromatic, cyclic natures. You can see here the p orbital is like this. This is your benzene ring and all sp2 hybridized atoms. This. This is sp2 atoms. Here all sp2 hybridized cyclic system. Here you can see. So all pi electrons in conjugations, this and this conjugations. And in this case, you see the NH. This is the pyridine, this is the pyrrole. So p orbital is like this. sp2 hybridized orbital. So 4n plus 2 pi electron system, 4n2 pi electron system is aromatic. Now anti-aromatic cyclic, all sp2 atoms and planar in nature. So this is following 4n pi electron. Now 4n plus 2 pi electron, 2, 6, 10, 14 and 18. 4n pi electrons, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So here you can see these are non-aromatic. So anti-aromatic follow 4n pi electron system, aromatic 4n plus 2 pi electron system, and non-aromatic, non-cyclic has sp3 atoms, non-planar. So you can see the differences between aromatic, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic. Very important point, aromatic 4n plus 2 pi electron, anti-aromatic 4n pi electrons. Now you can see these molecules. 1 pi bond means 2 electrons. Cyclic, planar, sp2, 4n plus 2 pi electron, 4n pi electron. So cyclic is correct. Planar is not correct because this is sp3 hybridization. Now check this one. Cyclic, planar, sp2, 4n plus 2 pi electron, 4n pi electron. So this one is incorrect, 4n pi electron system is correct. So 2 pi bonds, 4 electrons, n is equal to 1. So this one is not correct about this molecule. Now check this molecule. Cyclic, planar, sp2, 4n plus 2 pi electrons, all 4 are correct. And 4n pi electrons is not valid for this molecule. So here 3 pi bonds, 6 electrons. So n is equal to 1. Aromatic. Now check this molecule. Cyclic, planar, sp2, 4n plus 2 pi electrons, 4n pi electrons. 4 pi bonds, 8 electrons. N is equal to 2. So it is not following. So anti-aromatic. Flexible compounds. So in this way you can see. So 4 pi bonds, 8 electron, n is equal to 2. Null. Now you can see 8 pi electrons and 12 pi electrons. So non-aromatic. Now you can see this molecule. This molecule non-aromatic, because you can see sp2, 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 but in this form non-planar. Check for 10 electrons and 18 electrons, aromatic compounds. Sodium has charge or lone pair. So this is sp3. If it is a charge, cyclic, planar, sp2, and following 4n plus 2 pi electron. So this is aromatic compound. Now here cyclic, planar, sp2, and following 4n pi electron. So this is anti-aromatic compounds. Here 2 electrons, this 2 electron. So 1 pi bond, 2 electron. So 2 electron plus 2 electron is equal to 4 electron. Now check this molecule. This is non-aromatic. You can see here sp3 carbon, and if it is sp2, this carbon sp2 contains positive charge, so planar, 4n plus 2 pi electrons not following, so 2 plus 2 4 electrons, so this is anti-aromatic. So planar, 4n plus 2 pi electrons, this carbon is sp2, so 2 electrons plus 2 electrons plus 2 electrons, 6 electrons. So this is aromatic. Now you have this tropylium, aromatic, and this one is anti-aromatic. Now check the pyrrole. 2 plus 2, 4 electrons, and this lone pair of electrons, 6 electrons. So p orbital arrangement is like this. So this is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 electrons. Aromatic. Check here this one. Now you have pyridine. This is, if molecule is like that, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus these 2 electrons means lone pair of 8 electrons. But if you leave this one, is aromatic. So lone pair is not count, then it is aromatic. If it is lone pair count, so this is anti-aromatic. So pyridine is always aromatic. Now look at this molecule. This is aromatic. These 2 electron, this 2 electron, this electron, 6 electron, these 2 electron will not count. Again you can see this compound, imidazole, aromatic, this 2 electron, this electron, and 1 lone pair count, which is NH. This electron is not counted. This electron. Just remember, this is your imidazole. This one is basic, is not basic. Now you have furan. You can see this and this will count, this will count, and so this is out of plane. It will not count. You can see this is out of plane. So this is aromatic. These electrons are part of the pi clouds, means this, this, this. So this is aromatic. Now thiophene. Again, now this electron, these 2 electrons, and these 6 electrons, 4 electrons and 2 electrons. And these 2 electrons, this 2 electrons, this 2 electron not count. So this is aromatic. Now you can see here. Acetylene type compounds. You can see these 2 electron, this 2 electron, this 2 electron, this 2 electron, and this 2 electrons. So electron delocalization is like that. So 6 electrons and 4 electrons. Now you can see these molecules, these 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons. Situation is like this. So this is NH and this lone pair of electrons. Now you can see the naphthalene and phenanthrene. Both are 10 electrons and 14 electrons. Both are aromatic. You can see here. Situation of electrons. Now you can see here. This is 6 and this is 2. Total 8 electrons. So anti-aromatic. Now you can see these molecules. This will not count. Situation is like this. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. This is 18 electrons aromatic. Now you can see this molecule, 6 electron, and this will not count. 6 electron aromatic. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.